You've probably seen the perfect at-home waxing tutorials. Flawless skin, no pain, and glowing results. But here's the truth. There are hidden mistakes, surprising tips, and painful outcomes that no one is talking about until now. Stick around, because these 30 home waxing secrets could save your skin and your confidence. Rep is more important than wax. Exfoliate 24 hours before waxing. Avoid moisturizing right before the session. Clean the area thoroughly. Dry skin completely with a clean towel. Your hair length matters. Hair should be about 1/4 inch long. Too short equals wax won't grip. Too long equals increased pain. Trim if needed with scissors. Never wax right after a shower. Warm skin is more sensitive. Water softens hair but swells pores, can lead to more breakage. Wait at least 30 minutes post-shower. Do a patch test first. Always test on a small area. Wait 24 hours to observe reactions. Avoid sensitive zones until cleared. Understand the wax type. Hard wax, great for coarse hair. Soft wax, ideal for large, smooth areas. Sugar wax, natural and less irritating. Roll-on wax, good for quick applications. Timing is key. Avoid waxing before your period. Skin is more sensitive. Best time, mid-cycle. Evening waxing reduces post-irritation. Your skin should be dry. Use baby powder to absorb moisture. Sweat can cause wax to slip. Avoid hot rooms or saunas before. Wait after workouts. Wax in the direction of hair growth reduces breakage. Prevents ingrown hairs. Cleaner pull, less skin trauma. Pulls skin taut while waxing. Prevents bruising. Allows cleaner removal. Reduces pain. Use your other hand or mirror setup. Avoid sun exposure. Post-waxing skin is vulnerable. UV rays can cause burns. Use SPF 50 if you must go out. Wear loose cotton clothing. Don't go over the same area twice. Causes skin lifting. May lead to scarring. Use tweezers instead. Wait 24 hours before re-waxing. Home waxing isn't one size fits all. Face requires special wax. Legs can handle soft wax. Bikini area equals hard wax recommended. Underarms need precision. Pain gets better with time. First few sessions hurt most. Nerve endings adapt. Hair gets finer over time. Consistency is key. Avoid caffeine before waxing. Stimulates nerves. Heightens sensitivity. Drink water instead. Helps reduce inflammation. Natural soothing remedies work. Aloe vera for calming skin. Cold compress post-wax, witch hazel for irritation. Oatmeal bath for larger areas. Don't work out immediately after heat opens pores. Bacteria can enter easily. Avoid friction from clothes. Wait 24 hours minimum. City lifestyle equals more pollution on skin. Urban tit pollution clogs hair follicles. Always cleanse first in cities like London or New York. Micellar water is a good prep tool. Use barrier creams post-wax. Humidity equals more sweat equals less effective waxing. Tropical tip cities like Mumbai or Nairobi face this. Powder well before starting. Wax in air-conditioned rooms. Cold climates need extra prep. Dry skin in places like Canada or Sweden. Moisturize regularly between waxes. Use thicker waxes. Warm the skin first with a towel. Invest in a good mirror for hard areas. Helps with precision. Avoids uneven results. Try LED-lighted mirrors. Works great for underarms. Bikini. Hair grows in cycles. Know yours. Staggered hair growth is normal. Waxing every 3 to 4 weeks helps. Avoid rushing in between. Double dipping. Big nitrogen monoxide, unhygienic. Can spread bacteria. Always use a new stick per dip. Especially important for facial. Bikini. DIY kits are not all equal. Research brands carefully. Choose ones with post-wax care. Hard wax for beginners. Sensitive skin. Go natural. Use honey or sugar wax. Avoid fragrances and dyes. Test homemade recipes. Apply thin layers only. Post-wax care is crucial. Apply soothing gel. No tight clothing. Don't touch the area. Avoid hot water for 24 hours. Hair may grow back differently. Softer or finer texture. Direction may change. Less density over time. Stay consistent for best results. Patchy results. Here's why: uneven wax application. Didn't pull fast enough. Bumps and pimples. Totally normal. Happens from irritated follicles. Use tea tree oil diluted. Avoid scratching. Try ice packs immediately after. Don't wax over moles or skin tags can tear the skin. Cover them beforehand. Confidence comes from practice. First time is the hardest. Learn from mistakes. Stay calm and follow steps. Celebrate your glow up. Humidity can ruin your wax session. Wax doesn't set well in high humidity areas like tropical coastal cities, for example, Miami, Manila. It stays tacky and may cause skin irritation. Use a fan or air conditioner during waxing. Keep powder on hand to combat moisture. Hard wax versus soft wax. Know the real difference. Hard wax is better for sensitive areas, face, underarms. Soft wax is more effective for large body parts, legs, arms. Hard wax doesn't need strips, soft wax does. Choosing the wrong one can lead to bruises or missed hairs. You should exfoliate a day before, not right before. Exfoliating right before can oversensitize skin. Exfoliate 24 hours prior for best results. Helps prevent ingrown hairs. Your hair needs to be long enough but not too long. Ideal length is 1/4 inch, about the size of a grain of rice. Too short equals wax won't grip. Too long equals more pain. Risk of breaking. Trim with small scissors, necessary. Men's hair is different, takes more wax and time. Coarser hair needs stronger wax. Popular in cities like Berlin, Melbourne for grooming trends. Breakouts are more common on thick follicles. Pre-wax oils can help sensitive skin. Light oils form a barrier to reduce irritation. Jojoba or almond oil works well. Apply sparingly or wax won't stick. Used widely in skincare routines in New Zealand. Tight clothing after waxing is a big mistake. Friction causes breakouts and ingrowns. Choose loose cotton clothes for 24 hours. Especially relevant in warmer cities like Sydney. Don't hit the gym immediately after. DIY waxing kits often don't include everything you need. May lack spatulas, pre-wax cleanser, or cooling gels. Always double-check kit contents. Consider building your own waxing kit. Common issue in beginner kits from Amazon or drugstores. But it can also cause hyperpigmentation. If done wrong, overheating wax equals skin burns equals dark spots. Not pulling skin taut causes trauma. Post-wax sun exposure worsens pigmentation. Use soothing creams with licorice or niacinamide. You must sanitize all tools between uses. Prevents bacterial buildup. Boil metal tools or use alcohol. Bacteria thrives in humid bathrooms. Common mistake in dorm rooms or shared flats. Your pain tolerance varies by time of month. During periods equals more pain. Best time, a few days after your cycle. Hormones affect skin sensitivity. Female viewers in Canada and Nordic regions may relate. The first time is the worst, but it gets easier. Hairs grow back finer over time. Skin becomes more resilient. You can actually wax your back at home with help. Use a mirror and apply in sections. Partner or friend makes it easier. Harder for solo waxers, especially men. Popular in fitness-focused cities like LA and London. Don't wax after sunbathing. Skin is more fragile. Increased risk of burns. Wait at least 48 hours. Relevant tip for travelers and beach lovers. You can use ice cubes to numb skin before waxing. Natural pain reliever. Reduces redness, not as messy as numbing creams. Great for small areas like eyebrows. Always test wax temperature on inner wrist first. Prevents burns. Wax heats unevenly in microwave. Safe practice for beginners. Don't wax if you're using retinol or acids. Skin thins out with acids like AHAs or retin A. High risk of tearing or peeling. Pause skincare 3 to 5 days before waxing. Ingrown hairs? Use a clean tweezers on your fingers. Prevents infection. Sterilize tweezers first. Don't squeeze or pick. Use an exfoliating serum afterward. Waxing helps reduce hair over time. Weakens hair follicles. Slows regrowth. Less dense hair in 3 to 6 sessions. Common goal for long-term groomers. Avoid caffeine right before waxing. Caffeine increases skin sensitivity. You may feel more pain. Hydrate instead. Aloe vera gel is a lifesaver. Post-wax soothes inflammation. Helps redness disappear quickly. Easy to keep in fridge. Widely used in natural skincare communities. Watch out for cheap wax with harsh chemicals. Often causes burns or allergies. Read labels carefully. Choose natural, beeswax-based options. Check reviews before buying online. Patch testing isn't optional. Always test wax on a small area. Reactions may take hours. Avoid full body disaster. Basic safety rule people ignore. You can wax facial hair without overdoing it. Avoid overlapping the same area twice. Use precision spatulas. Hold skin tight. Your legs may bleed a little, and that's normal, called pinpoint bleeding, caused by strong hair roots. Sugar wax is a gentle alternative great for sensitive skin, made from natural ingredients, can be made at home with sugar, lemon, and water. Popular in Middle Eastern and Nordic cultures. You shouldn't shave between wax sessions, disrupts hair growth cycle, makes next wax more painful. Stick to your schedule instead. Thanks, don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more.